There's a study of 480,000 job seekers that says AI resume help actually works. There's also a stat everyone quotes that has no source at all. I'm going to show you both and then run the AI agent myself for a week. Most applications are never opened by a person. That is not the algorithm being cruel. That is arithmetic. When a few hundred people apply and one team has an afternoon to look, the maths decides before anyone reads a word. Most of the pile just never gets touched. The average job posting now gets more than 250 applications. 250. That is not a hiring funnel. That is a queue. And every one of those people spent an evening on it, the same way you did. Chapter 1. The myth that won't die. You have heard this one. Robots reject 75% of resumes before a human ever sees them. It is on career blogs, in LinkedIn posts, in advice from people who mean well. And when you go looking for the study behind it, there isn't one. Follow it back far enough and it lands on a blog post from 2012, not a study. A sales pitch from a startup that was selling screening software. That company closed in 2013. The number has been repeated ever since. The real filter isn't a robot, it's volume. In the first half of 2024, Workday's customers processed 173 million applications. That's up 31% in a year. The number of actual open roles grew 7%. Applications grew more than 4 times faster than the jobs did. Chapter 2. What the agent actually did. The tool itself is an open source project. One developer, MIT licensed, 31,000 stars on GitHub. It's built on Claude code. You fork it, fill in your profile, and it will evaluate postings, tailor your CV, write cover letters, and prep you for interviews. So I forked it. The person who built this framework is a geophysicist. His position was cut in late 2025, so he built this to run his own search, and then he used it on himself. 69 tailored applications, 20 first interviews, one signed contract. He started as an AI engineer in June. Here's what it actually does with one job: it reads the posting, it scores how well you fit it, and tells you when you don't. It rewrites your CV against that specific role. Then it drafts a cover letter. 4 steps, and only the first one is reading. So I tried it myself. 7 days, one fork of the repo, my real profile in it. 41 applications, and only to roles that genuinely matched my background, because sending it everywhere is the thing that got us here. This is one person's run, not a study. Keep that in mind. 3 responses. One interview scheduled. Zero offers. That's about 7% against a 2 to 3% baseline. Better on a sample of 41. Nobody hires anyone in a week. The average time to hire is around 40 days. If this video told you otherwise, stop trusting it right there. My first batch, days 1 and 2, was unusable. I read it back and it was technically correct in every sentence and completely hollow. It had my job titles right, it had the company name right, and there was nothing in it that only I could have written. It wrote that I was passionate about their mission. It had not read their mission. It wrote that I had a diverse skill set and a proven track record. Words a recruiter cannot check about a person they cannot picture. Generic enthusiasm, and nothing verifiable underneath it. Chapter 3. Who is on the other side? Here's the part people forget. You are not the only one who found these tools. Around 78% of applications now contain AI written content. So the thing that felt like an edge 2 years ago is now just what everyone's application looks like. And recruiters noticed. 62% of employers say they reject AI generated resumes that have no personal detail in them. More than two-thirds of hiring managers say AI applications have made hiring slower, not faster. And half of applicants, 50.5%, were rejected last year without hearing anything at all. So here's the question almost nobody asks out loud. Underneath the tools and the templates and the advice, does any of this actually get you hired? Nor does it save you time. Does it change the outcome? There is one good answer. A randomized controlled trial followed 480,000 job seekers on an online labor marketplace. Some got algorithmic help writing their resumes, some didn't. The ones who got the help were hired 8% more often. 8% is real. It is also small. Both are true at the same time. It is not nothing. On a search that runs months, 8% is worth having. It is also not the thing that gets you hired. If you want the evidence bank template I use for this, comment the word bank and I'll send it to you. It's one page, three columns. That's the whole thing. Chapter 4. The split that works. Here's the split that works. Give the agent the mechanical half. Finding roles. Scoring fit. Formatting the document. Tracking what you sent and when to follow up. None of that needs judgment about who you are. And all of it is what burns the evening. Then keep the other half. Never let it invent specifics. The numbers, the names, the stories. Those come from you or they aren't true. That's the same rule that got the creator his 20 interviews and got me my 3 responses. Which means the real work is upfront and you only do it once. Build an evidence bank. Every achievement, every number you can stand behind, every project written down in plain language and tagged by theme. Then the agent has something true to draw from. Two tailored applications beat 10 generic ones. Tailored applications run somewhere around 7 to 9% response. Generic ones sit at 2 to 3. And as more of the pile becomes machine written, that gap gets wider, not smaller. As of publishing this, my one interview is still on the calendar. I'll update you. But the lesson didn't wait on the outcome. It already showed up in the difference between application 1 and application 41. 480,000 job seekers, 8% more hires. That's the strongest number in this video, and it's the one that isn't mine. The person who built this tool used it on himself, and it worked. 69 applications, 20 interviews, one contract. I used it for a week, and mine is still pending. That's the honest version. The tool buys you volume. Only you can supply the specifics.